Hi, my name is Tiago Duarte and welcome to another video tutorial here at Daily Beats. In today's video, I'm just going to have some fun with FL Studio. I've heard a drum loop that I liked, so I'm going to use that loop and try to come up with something interesting. And this is I don't want to have an agenda today. I just want to open FL Studio and make something out of it. Before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe and activate the notification so that you know when I upload new videos. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below and consider supporting this channel by buying one of the products at dailybeats.pt or become a premium member, and you'll have access to premium tutorials and also project files, sample packs, and track outs and all that good stuff that you can download to accelerate your productions. So let's go ahead and jump to FL Studio. So the file that I was looking for is under Hip Hop Drum Loop Sample Pack. And the one that I heard, it was, which one was it? I think this one. I like the snare. So let's go ahead and open this in SliceX. And let's bring the speed maybe to 1.5. Let's try to do something different here. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is to apply a envelope here so that we don't have the excess of the samples here. In these lines here of having like 3 kicks at the same time. And I wanted to separate this like that because I can now change the pitch of the sounds. So maybe sounds good. So now let's go ahead and load something here. Let's start, for instance, where can I start? Let's start with some keys. Let's see if we can find some chords here to start playing with it. This rhythm. So let's try maybe D sharp, and which one it will be? This F maybe. I like that. Let's go with some basses. Let's go here with flex. Okay, I think I will probably let's try to see if I can find some organ that I like. Like that. So let's record that. And even though it will always be the same notes, I can later change these around. So what I want is just to have an idea of what I have to work with. Then I can change the stuff around. So let's go with nodes and automation and let's hit play. And yeah, let's try another one. Oh, I like this one. One thing that I want to do, let's actually record this. Okay, I like that. So let's see if that sounded nice. I like that. Okay, I like that, so let's keep it. And let's see here. Oh, sounds nice. Let's lower the volume a little bit. Okay, so now let's go back and try to find again another bass. All. Let's go to tags, bass, and something here. Okay, so let's copy this part. Okay, I like that. Let's maybe bring this up. I like that. Let's maybe normalize this a little bit better because it's a bass. I want it to be really cohesive. I don't want too much variation, so let's try to make this a little bit more normal, more close. All right. Let's now bring all together here to the mix. Okay. Let's call this Aux reverb, and let's add here some reverb. Let's go with reverb, and let's go with Fidelity Q to apply some. Let's see what we have. To apply some EQ to apply a high pass filter, and maybe a low pass filter also. I think we could work here with the kick a little bit because I think the kick doesn't have too much power. And let's make it the snare mono and the kick mono too. And now we have a full beat that we can work with. So the next step that I'm going to do is export all of these files and bring the project to Pro Tools, and I will try to mix these really fast and try to have a cool mix of this beat, and I will show you the before and after. Okay, so after you selected a folder that you want to put your stems or whatever, you set the name of the file that you want and you do save, and now you go wave and split mixer tracks. And let's go and export everything. This shouldn't take too long because it's just a simple beat without too much processing. Actually, with the only processing that I did here was for the auxiliary reverb, which have two reverbs and two EQs. So yeah, quite simple processing. So what I'm going to do now is go to open up Pro Tools, and I will show you how I usually mix my tracks or my beats in Pro Tools. Okay, so now we are back in FL Studio, and if you want to see how I mix this track, I did it in Pro Tools. So let me just show you. This is the project, and as you can see, we have all these EQs and compressions and compressors. And now let's see the before and after of the track. So this is how it sounds now. And actually I have to level match this. So let me, and so now this is the mixed track. And actually let me enable this. And this is the before and after. As you can see, the mixed track is way more, how can I say, it has a different mix actually than the one that we have here, so it sounds a little bit different, but I want you to focus on the kicks, for instance. Let's hear this part here. Now we can see that we can hear the piano, the organ, and all the other, the sounds, the basses. And we also hear much more the kick. The kick has much more impact. So let's listen to it. And actually let me maybe lower a little bit of this bass, because it's too much. So you still hear everything, but it's mixed well. And here, for instance, the kick doesn't have any impact. And here, you hear the pump of the kick. So this is it, guys. If you want to see how I did the mixing, it will be available for the premium members. And yeah, I think this is it. I really enjoyed this beat. It turned out really, really gangsta. So I really enjoyed it. And I will also have a sample pack for the premium members so that they can download the loops of this beat. And you can use them in your future productions or whatever. And if you are new here to this channel, subscribe and activate notifications so that you know when I upload new videos. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment below. Also consider supporting this channel by buying one of the products at dailybeats.pt or become a premium member, and you'll have access to the full tutorial and also to the project files, sample packs, and much more that you can use to accelerate your learning in music production. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.